Andy the Anchor by Kevin Cox and S. Witter. There once was an anchor attached to a tanker to help a good boat stay in place. He was made of metal and shaped so he could settle with a rope attached to his face. Why can't I be a steering wheel or part of the keel that makes the good boat go? Why can't I be a rudder, he started to mutter, or an oar that moves to and fro? Then the sun went away and it started to rain. Andy felt his first drop of water. A hint of salt, he began to exalt. Not bad for my first charter. The good boat was shifting towards the rocks it was drifting, for the ocean never gets tired. On the waves they were tossed. Without Andy, all would be lost. In stormy water, he felt inspired. I can't let this happen, he leapt from his captain into the ocean so blue. He felt a big whoosh, and he started to swoosh. He was doing what anchors do. Curious fish soon arrived, as he continued to dive to see his speedy descent. They took up beside him to help him and guide him, and deeper he went. He met all sorts of creatures with all sorts of features. Even the plants waved high. But Andy kept sinking as the ocean was thinking, hey, thanks for dropping by. Then all of a sudden, his gaze was flooded by sand and shells galore. He'd finally hit bottom, the ocean floor caught him. He had never felt this feeling before. The ocean rustled and tussled, applying its muscle, but Andy didn't budge an inch. He held to the rope, securing his boat. That good old Andy didn't flinch. He held like a boulder, digging in his shoulder, down in the depths below. He realized his purpose, then stopped being nervous and said, hey, I was meant to lay low. And all through the night he nestled in tight, doing what anchors do best. Come high or low tide, I'll be by your side, always here so you can rest. He realized everything has a purpose. Everything has a unique place. And that put a giant smile on Andy's face. The end. Thank you for listening. If you'd like to purchase a paperback, you can go to the Amazon store, link in the description below. Have a fulfilling and unique day.